Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, and today's video is going to be part 2 in the different uses of makeup series. And this time we are going to talk about the different uses of mascara. Okay, so the first thing that you can use a mascara for is as an eyeliner. Now I'm going to take my favorite mascara, which is the Maybelline Lash Sensational Mascara. And you actually can use like 3 brushes. One is kind of like an eyeliner brush, one is a thin slanted eyebrow brush, and then this one is kind of like a pointed crease brush, really small pointed crease brush. The one that I am going to use today is going to be this thin eyebrow brush, because I feel like this is just like what's going to work better. So you have to work really fast with this, but also another thing that you have to remember is that your brush needs to be clean, because you don't want to use the mascara formula on a dirty brush and then but like put it on your eyes. So now I'm just going to apply this how I usually apply my normal eyeliner. And so you see this applied beautifully like a gel eyeliner. And if you want something a little bit more precise, you're going to use a brush like this. But for me, I find that this works really nice. It's also, if you don't want your eyeliner to smudge, you can use a waterproof mascara for that. And yeah, now I'm gonna finish off my other eye, apply a little bit of mascara, and then I'll be right back. Okay guys, I'm back. I've applied lashes and lipstick and a little bit of blush, and now we're going to talk about the second use of mascara, which is going to be grooming your eyebrows. Now, if you are ever like out of an eyebrow gel or an eyebrow pencil, but you have a mascara in your kit, you can use it for grooming your eyebrows. I'm going to show you how. So first, what you're going to want to do is you're going to want to take a tissue paper and you're going to want to wipe off any excess from the mascara very lightly. You don't want to take off too much, like so. And then what you're going to do is you're going to want to start grooming your eyebrows. Now you're going to want to do this from kind of like the arch to the tail first. Use a very light hand. And then whatever's left, you can run it through from the arch to the start. So I'm going to show you guys how I do that. And voila, the eyebrow is done. And to be honest, the eyebrow is a little bit dark, but I don't find that it looks bad for me. I feel like this is better than not having anything on my eyebrows. But obviously, if your hair is naturally very light, this trick might not work. So now I'm going to quickly do the other side, and then we're going to move on to hack number 3. Okay guys, so moving on to hack number 3, as you can probably see, there is an addition to my hair here. I have a white hair. So hack number 3 is going to be covering up your gray hair. Now this might work only if you have brown to black hair. So you take your mascara, wipe off a little bit, and just... Now, remember that once you do this, you will have to probably throw your mascara away. Wiggling it at the roots. And just gently combing through. Gently. And as you can see that the white gray hair has been covered up really nicely. And I honestly believe that if you have, dark hair and your whites are showing a little bit, mascara really does help. So yeah, there you have it. These are the 3 uses of mascara, other than obviously applying them on your eyelashes. And yeah, that's it for this video. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you did, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will see you guys in my next video. Bye bye.